Middle tires, well wheels. Let's get it. Welcome back to another video here at chrisrodproductions. And guys, if you haven't already, be sure to leave a like on this particular video. And if you are brand new here, welcome from me to you. And as well, subscribe to the channel, dog. Just hit the button. Today, we're going to be in part 2 of our installation for our well drag wheels to go on our SN95 Cobra. And I told you guys I'd make the purchase, which I definitely did. And that was tires. And we got them at LMR. So shout out LMR. No deal happened. That's good. But now it's safe to say that I officially have tires on these particular wheels, and they're not going to leak whatsoever because they're brand new and it's been tested, which is good. So now we focus on our fitment. And if you guys remembered from part 1, we ended up having an issue where basically the caliper of the rear wheel, the rear caliper, couldn't say that, but the rear calipers on the car were potentially, or not potentially, they were actually, let me just show you, they were pretty much grinding against the wheel. And if we go to the back of the wheel, dig right in here, clearly we can see a nice gouge, literally all across the wheel. And the reason it's all across for both of them, we can even see it right over here, it's once again because the rear caliper on both ends was basically grinding against the entire wheel. And due to that, we do have some solutions in order to be able to make these wheels work and as well have the fitment dialed in perfectly, to my liking at least. And the first thing that we pretty much got in order to be able to solve this particular problem, definitely spacers. We went on Amazon. I forgot what the price was. It was a good 4-piece set and it was like an 8mm, I think. Let me see, is it here? Focus. That doesn't even say whether it's 8mm or not, but I want to say that's 8mm. So we're going to be using that to space out the wheel from the hub so that we have the caliper not hit it. Seems pretty fair. And let's say in a world where one spacer does not work for the application that I need. Lucky for me that it's 4, I just doubled it up, so we're not worried there. And the second thing that we pretty much got is going to be longer mag lug nuts. And pretty much with the longer lug, we should basically be able to have this wheel fit perfectly right onto the hub and not have to worry about any adjustments or trying to get longer studs or any of that nonsense. So now that we know what we have, let's just install the wheels. Let's do this, bro. I got the emergency brake on. What a goof! So now that I got the emergency brake not on, or not engaged, we're gonna see if this spins freely. And if it doesn't, then I know I need to use another one of these. So, yeah. Let's see. Huh. It dawned upon me, maybe it would help if the car wasn't in, you know, first gear. Wow. What a guy. Can't hear much. Pretty sure on the camera you probably can't hear anything. I hear a little bit of metal grinding. So, I'm going to slap another spacer in there. It's probably not going to work because now we're, instead of 8, we're 16mm off of it. And the studs are just getting shorter. So, I don't know. Let's see what we got. There's a good chance that I might be a big fat liar about this fitment. We're just gonna put the other one on and then go from there. I checked underneath, looked at the caliper with the wheel and the spacing. We're good. So we're just gonna try it. Sure. Hey, you guys wanna know something? Hey, look. The weather? Brick. It's brick. Let's see how this turns out. Check it out. So here's what we got going on. We're in the car. It's down to the ground, right? It looks good, in my opinion, old school, which is cool. So now we need to make sure that this wheel is not particularly grinding anymore on the caliper, even with all the weight onto the car. Easiest way I'm going to check that without moving it, I'm going to put the foot on the clutch, I'm going to release our e-brake and then see if it rolls back. If it rolls back, we're good. Clutch in. Let's see. Are you kidding me? Boys. Wow. So now that we pretty much know and we are fully aware that this car is not going to grind onto the wheels or the calipers are going to grind, let's appreciate this fitment, dude. Take a look at this, bro. Wow. Nice big tire in the back. Little, you know, mix match going on. This is amazing. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Here's my only flaws. As per usual, Ford, Mustang, monster truck. Every single time. So now we are definitely aware that we're going to be putting some good old lowering springs onto this car. Probably get the Ford Performance lowering springs, the B springs. And if you're not aware, when I say monster truck, I mean really? Come on, dude. That's crazy. And then as far as the aesthetic, not only, you know, within the fitment, but the aesthetic of the car with the tires, I think I want to get a white paint marker or a white tire marker, find it somewhere, and I want to paint the lettering on the tires, the Nittos in particular. So basically either coloring the lettering here, Nitto white, or even the model number white. And it's really just for the aesthetic. I kind of like how the Hoosier tires that were on it before that did not work, I like how it had that flow of the lettering. I don't know, it just looked good to me. But now it's pretty much official. We legitimately have a nice drag setup onto the car. Now we just need power, because it's slow. Damn. Maybe just pull the power out of my ass and shove it in the car, man. Stupid. But with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable and or helpful in any kind of way, well, I don't know about helpful, but maybe enjoyable, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring the notification bell. Until this, with your boy Chris Rod, and I'll see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace. Whoa! What's that? Tune in for the next one. No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, dos cachas y sube para la nube. Deja que ella te arrebate.